PVC pipe sticking out? That's what these ones is. It's all secured in there, we can see the high. That's how the main girl then showed it, and then the ones for video, you know.
Yeah. And then the camera.
Oh, that's a baby.
Picture them, Val.
You
got white owl.
Oh.
That's snow owl, eh?
Osborne.
Pretty good one of the owl.
What's in there?
I'm gonna step over Molly if she don't move.
Hey, we didn't say it was overly exciting, I just thought it was, to her it is.
No, Daddy told me you could do one of the owl. What are we looking at?
Bones and vertebrae. There's a possum. Yeah, ugly looking guy.
There's a bee in there.
Or something, maybe it's another kind of black-tailed.
There's a bee in there.
Indian horns.
Look at those kinds of birds.
That's terrible.
There's a blackbird. There's a blackbird. There's a mallard. Oh, there's a blackbird. Let's look at that ugly.
That's a weasel. We're getting that weird around the chickens and stuff. That over there.
You got?
Yeah.
Leave.
What's the big deal about the wood?
It's just a bird's nest.
But we're not going to kill it.
Okay, now I'm looking at it. I love this fish cool, it's like what Mommy does. Is it looking?
That's what you take home. Yeah.
Okay, now in here.
There's several. Get all these?
Yeah.
Alright, get a picture of this thing. Yeah. You probably knew that, huh? They thought it was her. Yeah, I heard that one got killed. Did you get scared?
That's what I'm getting.
Get that little letter from that one. Yeah. Busted, man. They sure pretty pissed. Well, he's on the main.
They're all dead.
Muskrat.
That's a coyote. Oh, the county.
He's tough.
People are happy. Poor pigeon. People are happy. A seagull. Oh, he scared me.
What are you playing with?
It's a number 9. It's a bobcat.
Look at him.
Must be a fox. Yeah. So that's fox.
Oh, it's soft.
Fox.
Look at the deer.
Cool.
Baby. Look at the deer cat on your head. Look at the deer.
What's a coyote here? Yeah. Coyote?
That's a coyote.
That's wolf, huh? Look at it.
Oh. Okay, let me get these in the paper first.
Deer he got. Oh man, I like that deer back. I picture Herbie's deer he got.
There we go. Okay, claim first.
Plan first. Here it is.
It says please touch. That's the first time I ever heard that. Picture back.
God, they heavy.
How do they feel? They have to. I wonder if they ever get a headache.
Could you imagine rattling those?
Oh, you break your arm. Your own side, yeah. Look at that. There's a mouse. Hey, put him on there.
I know. What?
What kind of horns are those? They're not a buck, Dad. They're a moose.
Moose.
Moose. He has to wear those things.
Don't feed the animals while you're in there.
My moose, the moose.
Hey, kill that little fawn.
He
Stop beating on me. Yes, I did.
Yeah. He's a little fella.
Look at this boy.
Lenny.
You disturb the animals.
Mountain lion.
What is that?
You got a pretty cat.
Take a walk.
Now, no, right here, and they're doing the bees.
They're out for the day. Yeah.
People over here taking the swarm of bees to start it with.
All over a kid.
They have to turn on it. They have to turn it off.
Again.
They're dead.
Walk it off your feet.
Don't they?
Who killed the bees?
Almost got in there.
That's the best thing I've ever seen before in my life. A bunch of dead bees. I love that.
Can I touch
You
it?
know, people are just in my way, I'm telling you. Just tell them move. Just keep bumping into everybody.
What are you doing?
No. No, open it and walk. Don't touch anything in there. You put the glass, Lenny. Don't break your nose.
Okay.
I'm coming. Can I go around the room?
Down here, Bart.
I can't, get in my way. Oh, he's cute. What is he?
That's a husky.
Oh, okay.
See all the teeth, the rows of teeth that he's got in his mouth?
Oh, they're not sharp. Ew, his mouth is sticky.
Look at, can you feel it? See all the teeth that he's got in his mouth?
No,
Hold on, let me get it.
you can't just bump.
They're all pointed backwards.
Stop it.
There's
There's all these rocks
Stop it.
and fossils.
You cool?
Stop it.
Ready? Shut up.
Look.
That's the mosquitoes again.
Yeah, there's the size of the mosquitoes. It's the actual size. Okay, fishies. Focus is going nuts on this.
You have that cork.
That's all four.
They have little pieces of the down. You see that? Oh, bunch. One time when people pick up that big thing and don't do right, and the lead holes in it, it's in there. You ever taken it out? Put them in the cabin.
They tell me not to do chopsticks.
That's a classroom.
Daddy,
What?
Daddy, you want to do chopsticks?
So is this all?
Yeah, they're all flop. What do you mean? Oh, we didn't want you to walk out.
I didn't do it.
What?
Window busted.
Oh.
It's wrong side of the dealership.
Now, Jennifer,
Oh yeah, Donnie, that's definitely you.
There you go, yeah. So it's a car or something like.
Hey, Freddie.
What kind of animals we have up here?
Oh, are they pretty?
Valerie,
Yeah.
that thing looks plastic.
People be careful with them.
That thing. Stained first.
I mean, I didn't get these, I don't think. If I did, I wasn't looking at them.
We have them.
Mom, this one
Got
looks
them. We have them.
plastic.
Are those penguins? Oh, they already penguins. Are them penguins?
Them are ducks.
Oh,
Some gold. Golden eye.
Golden
just
eye.
because you can read and I can't doesn't mean anything.
Them are hooded something or another.
Taking the Canadian goose. Isn't that the Canadian goose? Really? They did an awful job on that.
So what
How much they draw?
Bangladesh. What's that for?
They're pheasants.
Show them that
I put it
Yeah.
No,
before. That's part of it.
Thank you.
With the little slots.
yeah, I think. Oh,
You like your little birds. There's the small, like hummingbirds and stuff like that, or bat things.
Yeah. Maybe you fill it up with bird seed and the bird seed gets deposited in those little things.
Don't play things. That's all, can't possibly be a goldfinch house.
what would they have it up if it's plastic?
Because we didn't have anything else to show.
No, the other one's underneath there, but he broke his wing.
Is this the one? Get that going in that.
Or you can look at this place here.
Look at the little levels. You can get the levels in there.
Well, it might not have, we got down there, those street shots.
I know I have those owls, because I've seen them.
I got a big close-up of Pete's head.
I seen that. Mom, can we have that?
No, big Richard, whatever. Look, Mommy, you do that.
See, you like that?
Yeah. Ain't that poor,
Mom.
see that poor thing for playing?
We don't ever see them. Yeah, we got those.
Yeah, that's for.
Who knows where we're going?
That's where I gotta go tomorrow to choke cherries.
Choke cherries.
Look at the wild cherry, all the things straight jelly.
Bit him?
Sure not poison?
Why don't they have an outhouse back here somewhere?
I don't know, I gotta find the nearest big tree. No, baby, Mikey was right.
What do I tell you people? No one ever listens to me.
This is what I wanna do with the wood. You have paths all the way through the wood.
Okay, we worked far enough. Time for a break. Let's sit down.
And up in the thing they had, what's these signs that don't have signs on them? He had on the back of the chicken coop, they had like one of the chicken wire, and they had like a little egg carton set, and the stuff up in the bag said eggs 5 cents, you know, sign painted, you know. It's a big tree. 3 of them. And a damn car,
No, we haven't. There's no way. I don't think those are miles.
2. One's back there. That ain't 2 miles. Geez, we don't even go miles.
Hey, what half a mile? What are you people trying to do?
Well, look down there, Valley, with the camera. Everybody else is. What are you looking at?
I don't know. Water.
Birch, Valerie.
Huh?
There's a big white birch.
Look at the tree. It's white. It's a white birch.
Yeah, that's what they make the canoes out of.
I'm gonna look at this under my eyeball.
Really? We're not looking for poison ivy.
My eyeball's swelled up. Help.
Well, I wouldn't mind look.
What are you doing? I don't know. It hurts. It's fine. She's been irritating me all day.
Like, you follow the camera.
That's very.
The other eyeball.
Let's check these berries out. The other one's ripped from the wood.
Oh, that be better.
Hey, those are poison cherries.
Oh, boy! No, it's like, honeysuckle. We got a few of those babies. Got a big tree around here, Dolly? Let's see, where's my large tree? Shoot that ain't poisonous, good. There's some big leaves.
Taking everyone's rear here.
We'll get up higher.
Trying to. She's just gonna be
Yeah,
better.
rears. Boy, I'm mountain climbing here. What do you think, son? This is where you went? Did you like it? What exactly do you see other than trees and brush?
Is there anything else down there we can look at?
That stream was pretty exciting. I like that.
There was a stream. There was water in that?
Yeah. Good thing I didn't touch
Oh, this whole thing is in the sun.
Okay, here we go.
It's time to start complaining.
Seems longer now. You'll see the building.
I'm not gonna bore these people by whatever, so whenever we get somewhere, then I'll take.
It hurts really bad.
You poor little baby.
Stung it.
Maple leaves ain't bad. At least I know what kind of leaves that was.
You sure? How do you want to do? You want to say what?
Let's go find the guys.
Oh,
Hey, where did this trail go? I don't even see where the trail goes. Looks like an end of a field.
That's all it looks like.
Hey!
How's it go? I don't know. The hills are alive with the sound of music.
The hills are alive with the sound of music. Let's go. No. Skip through my down. Oh, rolling down the hill.
Why you said piss on it?
And I did. And I found a little maple leaf out there, which I identified, and it wasn't poison ivy. Should have gone real good. I hope. What does poison ivy leaves look like anyway?
They got about 5 little spiny things off of them, and they come out.
You see one of them back there? I didn't know it was 5 or it was 3. I was confused about that.
It was 20.
That bothered me too. There's some of them in there too.
Looks a lot like a maple leaf. As you go back.
Hey,
Did you see him?
no, I didn't see nothing.
They're big fishies, and they
Yeah,
jump,
big
and you want
fish
people
behind you.
I'm just staying there for a year.
You'll be good. You'll be good for like 1.
Well, you're good at throwing blankets out.
Yeah, blanket.
Oh, honey, happy
Salt fires.
heard that she's going to be blessed with Ma looking at pictures tonight.
There was somebody sitting behind me holding me up in that picture, wasn't there?
And that one there,
Okay.
this picture up here, my birthday. That picture there. So he was behind Holme up there, wasn't he?
That would believe it, man.
Yeah, it was.
That like that look like he doesn't.
I know, it is. We don't change.